So that was everything for XXE. XXE is still very, very common. It's not always limited to a application that allows you to just upload XML. You can actually find XML in a lot of other applications like documents, presentations, spreadsheets. Those are all zip files that have been packed, and they also have XML files within them. So anywhere that you see that allows you to upload some documentation or an integration, you want to make sure that you put your XXE payload in there as well. But we'll cover more of this in our lab where it comes down to document files, but I want to make sure I echo that XXE is still very common, and because it's a server-side vulnerability that allows you to either fetch local files or actually perform an SSRF, it's very, very valuable, and it could become a critical or high paid bug and can get you a lot of bounty depending on how you exploit it. But also don't limit yourself to looking for full response XXE. Blind XXEs are always there as well, but what you want to make sure is you want to take it step by step, make sure you get the first step to work. As always, the first step is to make sure you can actually use a system call to hit your own server or your Burp collaborator and make sure that connection is made. If that connection is made, depending on what the service is giving back to you, where you upload your XML or document, then you want to take the next steps and figure out if it's blind, full response, and if it is blind, how to approach it and how to send data back and forth. So always think of that. They're very, very common, and I highly recommend looking for any places that allows you to import your data in an XML format when it comes down to these vulnerability types.